Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a 14-pound packer brisket on our Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker. It's going to be really good, so let's get going. Okay, I've already trimmed up the packer brisket, got it all done. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to put just a real light coat of mustard on it. And we're just going to rub it in real good. We're just putting a light coat of this on there. All the way around on it. There we go. On all the edges and everything. Make sure we get it good. All right, now I've got some salt, pepper, and garlic here. And what I did, I put 4 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of coarse ground kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic. And I'll put the recipe at the end of the video for you. And we're just going to put a good coat on here. There we go. This makes a really good bark on these briskets. All right, now I'm going to turn this bad boy over. Do the same thing on the fat cap side. Just a little bit of mustard. Just as a binder, you're not going to taste the mustard at all. And just really wipe it in. We say it's just a binder. Now then, we're going to put a good coat on this side. Making a mess on the counter. That's all right, I'll clean it up. Get that good put in. There we go. We'll get this end part. All right. And I'll show you how I get my smoker fire set up and how I get it maintained and all that when we get out there. All right, we got this all seasoned up. Now I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get the Oklahoma Joe going, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, we got our Oklahoma Joe up to temp. Let's go out there and get this bad boy on. Okay, we're gonna set this booger right on here. We're gonna put the point down toward the firebox here. Set this over here out of the way. We get this baby closed up, and I'll show you how I did this. All right, what I did on the firebox, I started this with regular charcoal and put it all the way to the back side. And I put a piece of wood on top of it, and I slowly keep feeding it, maintain the temperature. We're gonna try to keep it between about 250 and 275. And what I do, I take another piece of wood, and I set it right down in here up against this wall, so it gets good and hot. So whenever I add it to that wood, whenever that starts burning down some, and I add it, it catches up quickly, and I can go ahead and close it back up and maintain the temperature. So we'll keep an eye on it and take it from there. Okay, our brisket has hit 160, and we're fixing to wrap it up in some peach butcher paper and get it right back on there. Get this wrapped up here. Nice and tight. There we go. All right. Let's go get this bad boy back on. Okay, we're gonna get this right back on there just like that. There we go. Okay, our brisket hit 200 degrees and it probed tender, so I pulled it off the smoker. I've put it inside this little cooler, and I'm gonna cover it with some old towels, and we're gonna let this baby rest for at least an hour, hour and a half. So I'll be back with you whenever it's through resting. We're gonna cut this bad boy up and eat. Okay, our brisket rested for about an hour and a half, but before we cut it up, we kept this brisket real simple. We put black pepper, salt, and garlic. I'll put the recipe for that up here. It's just a basic rub on here. And we cooked it on our Oklahoma Joe Highland offset smoker. We used oak, red oak, and let's cut it up. Let's see how it turned out. Boy, it's got a great bark on it. Oh man. I want you to look at that. Look at that smoke ring on it. Oh man. That is some good looking brisket right there. Fixing to cut me a slice off of here. Oh, it's tender too. Man, look at the juice just running out of it. Oh man, look at that. Boy, it's hot. Look at that. Man, pulls right apart. Man, that is some good brisket. Well, I want to thank everybody that come to watch my videos and all my subscribers. I truly appreciate it. I want to send a special thanks out to all the men and women in law enforcement that protect us and keep us safe every day. And I want to send a thanks out to all of the men and women that serve in the military and to all of our veterans. Thank you very much.